In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on your Google Business Profile. Engaging with your audience through your business profile can greatly enhance your visibility and interaction with customers, and it's a fantastic tool to update them about what's new, offers, events, and more. First up, you'll need to navigate to the Google Business Profile Manager. You can do this by simply searching for Google Business Profile in your web browser and clicking on the first link, or by following the link provided in the description below. Once there, sign in using your Google account that's associated with your business. This step is crucial for accessing your profile's management features. Once successfully signed in, you'll see a dashboard or a list of business profiles associated with your account. Click on the relevant business profile you wish to update. It's very straightforward, and Google's interface is designed to be user-friendly, so you shouldn't have any trouble locating your profile. Next, to add new content to your profile, look for the option labeled Add Update. Clicking on this will navigate you to a section where you can create new posts for your audience. These updates are a key component of communicating effectively with your customers and keeping them informed about what's happening with your business. Within the Add Update section, you will see various options for your post. To make your post visually engaging, the next thing you'll want to do is add multimedia content. Look for a button or link that says Select Photos or Videos and click on it. From there, you can upload content directly from your computer or device. Remember, high-quality images or videos can significantly increase customer engagement, so choose wisely. After selecting and uploading your media, the next step is to add a description for your post. This is where you can communicate directly to your customers. Whether it's details about a new product, an offer, or an event, the description is your opportunity to convey what's important about your update. Keep it clear, concise, and compelling to capture your audience's attention. Finally, once you're satisfied with the multimedia and the description you've added, it's time to publish your post. Look for the Post button, which is usually located towards the bottom or top right-hand corner. Clicking this will immediately share your update with the public on your Google Business Profile. And that's it. You've successfully posted an update to your Google Business Profile. Remember, posting regularly is a great strategy to keep your customers informed and engaged with your business. It's as simple as the steps we've covered, and doing this consistently can help improve your visibility on Google and ultimately contribute to your business's success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.